Maintains temperatures as low as -20 degrees C, crucial for preserving the integrity of biological materials, like proteins and cell cultures. Versatility. Suitable for a wide range of applications, including molecular biology and clinical diagnostics. Sample stability. Prevents denaturation or degradation, ensuring accurate and reliable results. Applications. Nucleic acid extraction. Used for purifying DNA and RNA. Protein analysis. Essential for protein precipitation and concentration. Cell separation. Ideal for concentrating and isolating cells. Choosing the right refrigerated centrifuge. Temperature range. Ensure the centrifuge can maintain the required temperature. Capacity. Choose a model fitting the volume of your samples. Speed range. Make sure the centrifuge can reach the necessary RPA. A refrigerated centrifuge is a valuable investment for labs requiring precise temperature control during centrifugation. Its versatility and ability to preserve sample integrity make it an indispensable tool. Want to learn more? For personalized recommendations and further information, please contact me through my homepage email. I will respond within 24 hours.